Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. Today I have here with me a ViewSonic M1 Mini. It is a pocket sized ultra portable LED projector which claims to deliver big screen entertainment at any location that you want. I'm gonna start with the unboxing of it, but before I get doing that, let me just see around what's there around the box. So this is how the box looks like. It's got some amazing 3 different colors in the front and it's part of their M series. It's a lamp free pocket cinema. See and hear the difference, and ViewSonic branding, 3 dotted colors here. I think these are the colors it's available in, and running again. And at the back we have some basic technical specs. We're going to talk about these in detail in there, so we're not going to go through it what's outside the box. So let's start with what's inside the box. We have here is a very tiny and a beautiful looking projector. Let's take this out. Wow, this is absolutely stunning, I must say. You know, it is really tiny. You can practically carry it along with your laptop bag and take it anywhere you want. So this is awesome. Let's look at what else inside. Let's get rid of the top. We have some manual and a micro USB cable. I think that's for charging, but I think they could have done something better with this. I think USB-C would be C-type connector would be absolutely brilliant, but well, we got it here, and we've got an armband to tie this on the projector. We're going to use that as well and see how it works. And we've got this really tiny little remote, a very basic one, very small I think, but it should be able to do the job, what it needs to do. And we're going to check out whether it does come with any app which can support the controls of this. And on the other side we have color plates, which means we can absolutely remove the top area and change the color to our liking. We have 2 additional plates right here. Well, we're going to get rid of this box and see what do we have here. Let's start with the projector. What's around it? We've got a rotating button here. I think that's to adjust the clarity and the alignment of the screen. We've got the DC charging, which is micro USB charging port, a USB port, and an on-off switch with an IR point right here, and we got an HDMI input port here as well. And as we move, this is where we have the projector. It looks amazing. I think it's a beautiful looking piece. We can look at setting it up something like this and see what it has to offer. And as we saw, it's approximately about 4 inches by 4 inches, which is quite ergonomic and quite small, which is beautiful. And it can go easily into your purse, your backpack, and and in some cases even your pocket. So which means you can turn it on anywhere you want and you have an entertainment system right in your pocket. It also has JBL speakers inbuilt, which packs a decent quality of sound. We're going to look at each one of these elements in a little bit more detail as we move forward. Let's start with the outlook of it. We've got a teal gray color here, and as an additional color option, and a yellow one as well, so you can pick the color that you want to choose and change it to your liking. I'm sure fairly easy. You just need to flip this plate out from one of the corners here and you can absolutely change the color. I think we're going to start working with the yellow. I think I like that better. So we're going to just put this back here, and this will help us understand and see we are able to do it with ease, or does it require a lot of effort. Well, so far it looks good. I think we've got a yellow color ViewSonic Mini M1 Mini. Great stuff. Now the projector, I've used it a little bit at home. Other ViewSonic projectors. but this one comes with a resolution of 854 by 480 and a throw ratio of 1.2. You can use it at a distance of anything between 2.1 to 8.7 feet, but to get a great quality imaging or a great screen right in front or right on your wall or wherever you're projecting it. It comes with 120, which is 50 ANSI lumens. It's a DLP LED projector. WVGA is, again, as we said, it's, the resolution is 854 by 480. Now they could have upped it a little bit and made it at least an HD, but I think the quality of the output is what defines it. You can go up from you can use this to from the distance which you define from 2.1 to 8.7 feet. You can have 24 to 100-inch screen. But I think with my previous experiences working on portable projectors and using one or two of them at home and trying them out, I normally would suggest anything between 60 to 80 inches is where you get a decent quality. And as you go backwards, the quality of the videos and the images really does drop down. It's got a 40-degree auto keynote, which means you don't have to worry about manually adjusting keynote. All you have to do is just put it right there and point it towards the wall, and it automatically adjusts the keynote. As we saw, this is a lamp-free projector, so which means the light source is RGB LED, which which can go up to 30,000 hours, which is great. For normal usage for this kind of small piece, it is a brilliant quality so far. What we've seen. It has a dynamic contrast ratio of 120,000 to 1 and an aspect ratio of 16 to 9, which is great for a full HD video outstreaming as well, which it doesn't give you the great quality output as a full HD or a 4K projector would, but for the size and for the quality that it's offering, I think it's brilliant. It's got a video signal of 15 hertz to 135 kilohertz and a vertical frequency of 23 to 120 hertz. It claims to be compatible up to 1920 by 1080 and on a PC resolution on the top side, and 640 to 480 on the bottoms on the lower side, which at that. And I think it's the same thing for the Mac as well, which is great. I think if it can take that input and give us a good quality output with that, it is brilliant. It's got as we discussed, it's got one 2-watt speaker, which is JBL. The output should be decent enough. I'm going to test it out, and you'll see some of the technical details towards the end of it. But I think for the size and what the job it needs to do for small home entertainment, for smaller living rooms, smaller meeting rooms, I think it's a perfect piece to carry with you. Its power consumption is 10 watts, so which means with the inbuilt battery, it should be able to last approximately about 2 to 3 hours, which is great. It weighs light. It's under 300 grams as a projector, and is something that I would strongly recommend that people should have it if they are on the road. And when you're traveling, even if you're going on a holiday, you can actually carry it with you, or you're going camping, you can carry it with you and project this on the back of your car or the side of your car or on the hotel room, and you have the screen of your size and the quality that you want. Absolutely brilliant. It does have you can tether anything from your mobile, connecting to Miracast or one of the casting solutions that your mobile offers. We'll put that in the technical details towards the end, whether it can work with Air or not, Apple's Apple Air or not. But yes, with Android, definitely Miracast with the older versions or the other models, portable models of ViewSonic M series do work very well with this. Well, this is it, guys. And one of the things which I enjoyed on this particular projector or in the similar series is that it has an auto keynote adjustment and also an auto shutdown mode, which means you don't have to worry about turning it on and off specifically when you're viewing it continuously. And all you need to do is just put your hand in front of the lens output lens, and it shuts itself down. So in case you have kids walking around, or so you don't need to worry about missing an important part of the movie or a TV show that you're watching on it, because it will pause it and start immediately as the person moves out of the way, which is absolutely brilliant. And once you put the stand back on, it automatically goes into the sleep mode, which is great. And when you turn it back on, which is amazing. So ViewSonic M1 Mini, amazing. I think I absolutely love this. It's a beautiful looking piece. Output was great. I think one of the things that it did miss out was to have an proper inbuilt app store to be able to have Netflix and Amazon Prime and other streaming apps to be able to install on this. It does have an app store, but it does not have those two particular apps that people are quite fond of. But yes, you can still tether videos from your phone or from your laptop using the HDMI or USB onto a bigger screen using this projector. Well, this is ViewSonic M1 Mini, and this is your friend, the great lobbyist, signing off. But before I go, I just have one more thing to say. We have some amazing offers going on for giving you a chance to win some amazing gadgets and mobile phones and projectors and laptops, which all you have to do is follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram, and comment, share, and like this post. Once you're done with that, we will be announcing a winner in about 3 to 4 weeks time after this, from the date of release of this video, which is awesome. So looking forward to seeing you with many more great videos coming in the coming days and weeks. In the meantime, stay safe. Peace.